Hey folks, and this here is the Huawei Watch GT. GT for Gran Turismo. Yes, like the game. It is actually a kind of endurance smartwatch. It lasts 2 weeks to a month on a charge. Kind of crazy. It's a proprietary OS with a proprietary chipset that's very similar to the Snapdragon Wear 3100. It basically has a low power core and a high power core, basically super efficient one and one for more intense kind of work. It's not an always on watch. The display will go black after a few seconds, so just be aware of that. But it's a pretty elegant looking watch, as you can see. And as you can see, the display just went black. And it's a the UI kind of feels like a combination of UIs we've seen on other watches, like the Samsung Galaxy Watch and some Android Wear stuff. So here are, all the different screens. There's also kind of like a quote-unquote app screen here. You can get to things more directly. There's no apps on this watch. You can't just install stuff. You press on here, you get some different kind of use cases for workouts. So it does have like a heart rate sensor, GPS, Bluetooth, all the things you'd expect, and it's in a very attractive package, at least here on this particular one, with a nice little leather brown band. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see more information about this, because they didn't give us any pricing availability. Very much the same as the Mate 20 Pro that's sitting in the background here. By the way, you should check out my other video about the Mate 20 Pro. I will link to it at the end of this video. So there you go, the Huawei Watch GT in a nutshell here. Not too much information on this other than incredible battery life in something that's still a smartwatch but doesn't have kind of an app ecosystem like you see on Wear OS. All right, folks, stay tuned for more videos, and remember, it's not just about this YouTube channel. It's about my podcast, Mobile Tech Podcast. So subscribe to the show, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, tell your friends, and don't forget the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Stay tuned for more videos. Cheers, folks.